welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna do a quick tutorial. I get a lot of questions on how I wear my hair when it's kind of just waved on the edges, and I guess people think that I use a lot of heat and whatnot, which I really don't. I don't use any heat on my hair except for the the hooded dryer, because I'm very simple. My hair, it takes heat well, but it doesn't last. So I just decided to not use heat anymore on my hair when it comes to curling and whatnot. Maybe if I decide to grow it out a little bit, like I play with the lengths, I might bump it here and there, but overall I don't use a lot of heat on my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys this quick tutorial, super simple, super easy. You just need a few products, and yeah, so let's get to it. All right, so first up, my hair is wet, freshly relaxed, and yeah, relaxed, shampooed, conditioned. You see how short it is, like it's super short. So first up, I use my Hair Razor Hair and Skin Oil. This is the bomb.com, okay? It is really, really good. I know you guys hear me talk about it a lot. You see me talk about it a lot on all my social sites, but I am not lying to you guys. This is an amazing product. People always ask, how is your hair so shiny? And you know, it looks so good and blah, 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 and all of that. It is because of this product that is handcrafted and formulated by me. They ain't in no factory, no lab. I mixed it up myself. I created the concoction, all of that. It is amazing. So first I use that on wet hair, and I use it on wet hair because I feel like it gives it a little added moisture, you know, when I do it before. Next, I'm going to use a hair foam. I am no longer, this is a big step for me, I am no longer promoting anybody else's hair foams or certain hair care products or whatnot, because I will be launching my own very, very soon. So use the hair foam of your choice, or if by the time you see this video, the Hair Razor hair foam is out, go ahead and order it now. But use the hair foam of your choice, and we're gonna create these waves. All right, so I'm applying the hair foam all over my hair. Saturate it nicely, don't be scared, don't be scared. People be scared about doing this, applying this foam, and that's why their mold isn't the way they want it to be. It isn't slick. So then comb it all out. I usually separate my hair like back here instead of up here. So comb it all out. You separate the hair, push this forward. And if you see the foam turning blue, that is just the residue of my color. That is, you know, because my hair is wet. So you guys know I wear a blue pixie, or as blue as it is right now, because I recently cut all of my hair down. So a lot of it is gone, so I gotta redo it in a little bit, but yeah. So now that everything is down, this is where, and just make sure that back here is smooth. Like, make sure it is smooth back there. So yeah, now that everything is down, this is where you're gonna play with the front of your hair. Oops, sorry guys. Some of this foam off my hands. So you're just gonna take and just go like that. And some people will flip certain things forward like that, you know, or whatnot. I don't really care for that sometimes, because it's, you know, it may not stay, but yeah. So see that? Does not look smooth. Sorry, y'all. Mirror. Make sure that it is smooth. You can play with it however you want. You know, play with it however you want. Smooth it out. Frame that face. See that? And then we're gonna go to the other side. Add a little bit more foam if it's not wet enough. or use the foam that's on your comb. I'm gonna use a little bit more foam right there because hair dries really quick, so I have to do this quick when I do it. Especially because it's so short, it definitely dries quick. All right, there we go. Make sure that the back and sides are smooth as possible. Take another look before I put the strips on. Make sure everything is good. We are good to go. Use your strips. I use the Rapid Junior strips. I use the black strips, just a preference. I don't find that any one is better than the other, the black or the white, just as long as it's Rapid Junior and not neck strips. These are actual hair strips. If you use neck strips, they're super soft and like tissue and they will rip. So make sure they're hair strips, not neck strips. So I use 3 strips because I have a really big head. And then I'm about to go under the dryer and I'll see you guys in a few. All right guys, I'm back. My hair is dry. You see it, you see them waves. I know that's right. You see the waves. Okay, that's random. My shower randomly decided to go off. So, just gonna comb it out a little bit, but not too much to mess up what you did. And then we're gonna add the Hair Razor Hair and Skin Oil again, just a little bit again to your hair. A few drops. And then I like to use my nails. If you don't have nails, you can use a rake comb, but I like to use my nails just to mess it up a bit. I'll take some hair wax, any hair wax of your choice. Some hair wax. And then do that as well. Y'all know I'm all about a messy pixie. I love a messy pixie, but messy with a little structure, you know? What I'll do also is I might insert some pictures where you see like the finished product of my hair for real when I do this, because my maternity photos, they were so bomb. And then my hair was like exactly like this. I think my hair was a little bit longer. But yeah, just kind of play with the front. I have had some postpartum shedding, so my hair, I had to cut my hair down a little bit. But I still like length. I like it short, so it's not bothering me. And there you have it, guys. That's it. Very cute. Like. All right, guys. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And then also check out thehairrazor.com. I have hair tips, tricks, tutorials on the website as well. Also be sure to check out the Hair Razor shop on thehairrazor.com. Get your Hair Razor hair and skin oil. You can get one, you can get a bundle, you can get your t-shirt, short, relaxed, and happy, Pixie Queen. We got it all. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.